Good afternoon. This is Attorney Paul Whalen from Afford Law, where all of our fees are based on a sliding scale based on your income. So the less you earn, the less we charge. Just wanted to talk to you today about contempt of court charges, or contempt. We often see these come up in the probate and family court situations. A contempt of court is basically not following a court's order, and there can be significant consequences for you if you are found in contempt. Basically, there are three things that need to be shown in order for a contempt action to go forward. First of all, there has to be a clear and unambiguous order from the court. Secondly, there has to be a disobedience or somebody not following that order. And the third element is that that person who did not follow the order must have had the ability to follow the order and chose not to do so. So a clear and unambiguous order from the court. So an order from the court is something signed by the judge. You are under a legal obligation to follow that order. And for some reason, that order has not been followed. It doesn't have to be a willful disobeying of the order. You might have an understanding of what the court wants, and you might not be able to fulfill that obligation. That's going to get you into trouble. So there are two types of contempt. There's civil contempt and there's criminal contempt. Criminal contempt is rare in these settings, but it does happen. In criminal contempt, a judge is punishing you for not following his or her order. And what the punishment is, jail time. So in a criminal contempt case, you have all the protections of a normal criminal trial, such as the right to an attorney and the right to a jury trial and so forth. Civil contempt is much more common in the probate and family court. There are many things that a court can do to try to force you to obey their order. So things such as changing parenting time, making you pay for the attorney's fees for the other side, and so forth. Basically, the court's trying to get some leverage on you to make you follow the order. There are a number of ways that you can defend a contempt case, and those defenses are very important to you. We charge our clients on a sliding scale fee. That means the less you make, the less we charge. These are very important issues in the probate and family court, and they're very common. After a divorce, or even once a temporary order is put into place, those orders must be obeyed. So let's say, for instance, that you are the custodial parent and the other person is supposed to pay you child support, and they don't pay you the child support, or at least not all of that child support. That person may be in contempt of court, and the way that you get them to obey that is to file a motion for contempt, that you're asking the court to find them in contempt and to bring some sort of consequences for them. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or email us. Visit us at affordlaw.org. We're making justice affordable.